Dear friends, please see here a notification from Food Corporation of India, that is the central government organization. It is advertisement number 1 2002 of category 3. This is zone wise recruitment of non executives in FCI. You see here for zone wise means it is throughout India, it is categorized like zone wise as North Zone, South Zone, East Zone, West Zone, Northeast Zone, like that. They have categorized. And you know very well that we are being this field, stenography field, just we can see only our category. But here, various vacancies are there like junior engineer, civil, junior engineer, electrical, mechanical engineering, etc. But we are being the fraternity of stenography field, just we can see only a stenographer's position. Here you see stenograde 2. This is postcode C. Here you can see in total, this is for North Zone. It is total vacancies are there here. 43 vacancies are there for North Zone. So that out of these 43 zones, it is divided into into categories like that. So that it is 43 vacancies for North Zone, and we go for South Zone. Here you see in stenograde here total 8 vacancies. So it is also categorized. Uh, okay, no, not categorized here. It is completely for unreserved only. 8 vacancies for unreserved in South Zone, and we can move to East Zone. This is East Zone. You see here in steno grade 3 and sorry grade 2, steno grade 2. It is 8 vacancies. Total 8 vacancies belongs to unreserved only. This is East Zone, and we can move to West Zone. See here, steno grade 2. Here 9 vacancies are there. These 9 vacancies only for unreserved, so that everyone can apply. And now we turn to northeast zone, so that in steno grade 2 here 5 vacancies there. 5 vacancies are there, and it is categorized like one, 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 and two. In total, 5 vacancies, like that. In total, you see here 5 vacancies and 9 vacancies, and here also 8 vacancies and 8 vacancies and 43. In total, it is about 61, 69, 9, 69, 9, 78, and 5 vacancies, and 5 vacancies, 79 and 5 means 84 vacancies, according about 84 vacancies they just notified. Okay, so that what your zone belongs to, likewise just you have to apply. If you are eligible for this vacancy, just then you can apply, dear friends. And we can see what is the qualification, etc. Just we can see, and these are all general instructions, and I'm not concentrating on the general instructions. They are very well known to you also, as you are used to apply many vacancies like that, many advertisements. Now you see here steno grade 2, the qualification experience as on 1 August 2022, that is steno grade 2, postcode C. Here you see graduate with a speed of 40 words per minute and 80 words per minute in English typing and shorthand respectively. So that 40 words per minute is required in typewriting, and also 80 words per minute is required in shorthand. So that 40 words per minute equal to, just you treat it as typewriting higher grade, and 80 words per minute is equal to, it is shorthand English lower grade or junior grade. Just you calculate uh, like that. So that it is important, dear friends, those who are going to apply, and the eligibility condition is that. graduation, as well as 40 words per minute in typing and 80 words per minute in a shorthand. That is, and we go for, just you see, a candidate can apply in any one zone only, but not either this zone or that zone. Any one zone, just you have to apply, dear friends. It is better to apply of your own zone, and if you want to apply more than one zone, means they are not going to accept, dear friends. That is, and this is online mode. The mode of application is online mode only, but not offline, only online mode. Just you have to look after all these things. The reservation and relaxations according to the rules of FCI or according to the rules of government of India, dear friends. That is common, you know very well about that. And these are all general instructions. There is no need in particular way, but who are applying for these vacancies for this post, just you go through word to word, then only it is feasible to you while you are applying through online mode. If you get any doubt and then you go back, it is nothing but headache. But you have to read word to word first and underline what is the important points, and after that just you can apply through online. It is good to you, dear friends. And selection process, you see, pattern of online test. The online test will comprise of phase 1 and phase 2 exams. So here two phases, one is phase 1 and phase 2 examinations, dear friend. Just you see, the online exam of phase 1 shall be common irrespective of post. The test structure for phase 1 online exam is as below. So that this FCI notified for various categories, no, including stenography, stenograde 2. So that phase 1 is common to all categories of vacancies which notified by the FCI. So that here you see the subject is English language for 25 questions and 25 marks, but 15 minutes duration is there. Version is English. So here for 25 questions, just you are going to get only 15 minutes, so that you are not getting even 1 minute for one question. So that is, it is important to you, dear friends, to practice accordingly. It is very, of course, difficult, but it is feasible. Those who are practicing their questions like that. If they are in practice, then it is good. But otherwise, who are not in practice, it is very difficult, dear friends. So subject is number one, English language, number two, reasoning ability, number three, numerical aptitude, and number four, general studies, comprising of history, geography, economy, general science up to class 8th level, 20 questions. Okay, like that, just you can understand, dear friends. This is common to all the categories of posts which notified, and we can go for phase 2. Phase 1 we completed. Phase 1 is common to all, but you see here phase 2 online exam will comprise of a post, a junior civil engineer, junior electrical, etc. It is not needed for us, so that we cannot go like that, but only we can see our category, that is steno grade 2 post code C. Here you see, this is important, paper 3 only. So, dear friends, for our category, they are going to conduct paper 3 only in phase 2, just to remember. So that only paper 3, but not paper 1 and paper 2 for our category. Our category is only paper 3 only. In addition of phase 1, paper 1. This is phase 2, but paper 3 here. Just to remember, dear friends. And candidates applying for the postcode C will have to appear in paper 3. Thereafter, the candidate will undergo a skill test in typing and shorthand, which will be of a qualifying nature. The language test, that is typing shorthand, will be in English. The candidates shall be informed about the venue of a skill typing test through website. The final merit for the post of steno grade 2 will be decided on the basis of paper 3 subject to qualifying the skill test. So that our category, just you have to write a phase 1, that is common test to all, and after that in phase 2, just you have to write a paper 3 in addition of paper 3, and you have to write a skill test also, that is typing and shorthand test. then only there is a chance to you to get an appointment for the post of steno grade 2, dear friends. On your performance of these three papers, then there is a chance to you to get, if you do well in the examination, it is feasible to you to write your uh, performance, dear friends. And we can see these are all general instructions. These are all general instructions. Here you see paper 3, which contains the duration is 90 minutes. As we discussed regarding paper 3, no? Paper 3 for steno grade 2, here you see. And multiple choice questions on general English, general awareness, general intelligence, and computer knowledge with a specific reference to MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Internet for candidates applying for the post code C. So that is, dear friends, you see name of the test: general English, general awareness, general intelligence, computer awareness with so and so. So you have to go and write on these subjects, dear friends. Number of questions 30, maximum marks 30, but duration is only 25 minutes. So that here also even not 1 minute also to attempt for one question, so that it is reduced like that, so that if you are in practice only, it is possible to you to attempt all the questions in feasible way. Otherwise it is difficult. So that, dear friends, when they are going to conduct exam, just that is not given here, so that just you focus on this to practice according to the subject, according to the syllabus it is given, dear friends. That is important. And these are all general instructions only, dear friends. So we can concentrate, as I said, just we can concentrate only on important things only. But you are being candidates who are applying for this, just you focus. I mean, focus means just you read word to word, otherwise you will get embarrassing situation when you are applying. So that just you go word to word and underline for which the important points, then it is good to you, dear friends. That is my suggestion. And a skill test here, just you see skill test, it is mentioned like that: candidates applying for the post of steno grade 2 postcode C will need to take paper 3 in phase 2 for online test. Thereafter, the candidates will undergo a skill test in typing and shorthand, which will be of qualifying nature. The language of a skill test, that is typing shorthand, will be in English. The candidates shall be informed about the venue of a skill typing test through website. The candidates are advised to keep in touch through the website. The final merit for the post of steno grade 2 will be decided on the basis of paper 3, subject to qualifying the test. So that already I said this, dear friends. Just you go through the examination, paper 3 in phase 2, and subject to qualifying the skill test. Skill test is compulsory. If you fail in a skill test, means there is no chance to you to get appointment to the post of steno grade 3. Even though if you qualify in phase 1 and phase 2 also, this is skill test is must. If you fail in skill test, then there is no chance to you. So that just you give equal importance to phase 1 examination, phase 2 examination, and a skill test also. If you fail in skill test, there is no chance. So that just to practice your skill test from today onwards, dear friends. That is my suggestion to you. And document verification also, just you will get an instructions when they are going to see all the document verifications, dear friends. And a candidate can apply in any one zone, just as I said that you have to apply in any one zone, but not for two zones, three zones at a time. But you have to opt for any zone, dear friends. That is important. And we can see only important thing. Just we can see only important things, but not all, dear friends. These are all general instructions only. And here you see the state-wise list of examination centers for phase 1 is as under. So, dear friends, they are going to conduct the phase examinations according to their zones and according to their states. And phase 1 is different centers, and phase 2 different centers. Just you make it difference, dear friends. This is phase one what I am showing here. Just you see, for example, in Andhra Pradesh, they are conducting in a few important towns and cities. They are Nellore, Vijayawada, Kakinada, Kurnool, Tirupati, Vijayanagaram, Vishakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Eluru. This is for phase one. And if we compare to phase two, only few examination centers are there. Just you observe phase two. For Andhra Pradesh state, it is only restricted to four examination centers like Vijayawada, Vishakhapatnam, Rajahmundry, Eluru, like that. For in Telangana, just we can see in Telangana, for phase one, it is Hyderabad, Karimnagar, Warangal. And if you compare the same Telangana, for phase two, only Hyderabad is given here. So that just to keep in your mind, dear friends, it is very, very important to you when you are opting for the examination centers that is very near place to, I mean, your zone or near place near your town or city. Just you have to opt for that to write your examination center accordingly. So that south zone, if you see, for example, here it is given different zones for different places. South zone indicates that Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Union Territory of Lakshadweep, Union Territory of Puducherry, like that. These are all comes under South zone. And likewise, North zone, East zone, West zone, and northeast zone, like that they are given according to your zone. Just you go through, dear friends, and it is important like that. Only important things just we can focus on this, dear friends. This is and you see application fees 500 here. Just you go through, and whenever you are applying, just you can get the instructions to pay rupees 500. What is the process? Just you can go through. That is a easy process, and you are used to apply for all the categories belongs to our fraternity, so that there is no need to tell about that in clear way. That is just you look after, dear friends. And procedure of applying, etc., that is through online. Just you will get some idea if you read the instructions from point to point. That is my suggestion, dear friends. Just I'm giving the information, that's it, but just you go through. If we are being a stenographers, there is no need to tell all these things, but you know very well about that, how to apply and what is the process, how to go. It is like that, dear friends. And the tentative schedule here, the submission of online application starts from 6th September 2022, and last date for submission of online application is 5th October 2022. And availability of admit cards on website for download 10 days prior to announce the date of examination. Date of online test tentatively in the month of January 2003. This is the month of September 2022, but you are going to write in January 2023 approximately, so that you have 4 months of time for your preparation, dear friends. And these are all general instructions only, and it is given the few formats for caste certificate and pro forma for backward classes, etc., etc. It is given like that. Just you look after all these things and pro forma, and just you have to download it, and just you apply. And whenever just you are sending hard copies also, it is important to you to scan and send to the concerned. But it is only online mode, but not offline mode to apply. But it is important to download and fill all the columns, the required columns, and the same should be sent to the concerned as hard copies also. So this is the information from my side, dear friends. If you are eligible for our fraternity, for our category, that is steno grade 2, that is the required qualification is graduation and typewriting higher grade, and shorthand lower grade, that is junior. So that if you are eligible for that, just you can apply, dear friends. Anyway, thank you very much and all the best.